Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the 8th science. Okay, unit 23, library office calci. Okay, this is computer related topic. We have to discuss one by one. Okay, what are the topics they given in a library office itself? Okay, we have to discuss one by one. Okay, this is a computer related topic. Okay, today learning objectives are, okay, we have to know about the spreadsheet means what and how to create a spreadsheet. Okay, how to create a spreadsheet through library office software, and then how to explore their creativity thinking in a library office itself, and learn how to use the functions. Okay, some functions are there in a library office calci itself. Okay, that everything also we got to say. And then final one, learn how to create charts. Okay, finally how to create a charts in a library office calci. We have to see one by one. Okay, so before introduction part, library office calci means nothing but like a MS Office, Microsoft Office calci. Okay, Microsoft spreadsheet. Okay, that is the another software like a library office calci. Okay, so library office is like a MS Office software only. Okay, nothing more different. Okay, as a same software but some little bit different is there, that only we are going to see in this chapter itself. Okay, that is one of the MS Office package only. Okay, so MS Office is the different software, like same like that library office also one of the different office software. So that software itself we have to discuss, library office calci. Okay, so particularly we have to discuss in a library office calci. Okay, in library office software itself we have to say library office calci. In Microsoft Office itself we have to say in a what are that name like a Microsoft Office. Inside that, what is the meaning of that library office calci? That is the meaning of Microsoft Office Excel. Okay, that name only in a library office we have to say library office calci. Okay, so this calci, that Excel sheet itself, what are the things we have to do in a that Excel sheet? Okay, we have to mainly we have to focus to make a calculations. We have to do a calculations in a library office in MS Office. Excel itself, what we have to do, the same calculation only we are doing in a MS Excel itself. Okay, like that library office calci itself also we have to do a calculations. Okay, so then we have to create a spreadsheet. Okay, that calculation, before doing calculation we have to create a spreadsheet. Okay, and then after that spreadsheets will be displaying what is that, rows and column wise. Okay, that spreadsheet will be displaying rows and column wise. Okay, you go for start button, there itself library office calci, your page will be open. Okay, your library office page will be open. Okay, so this is the introduction to a library office calci. Library office calci nothing but a Microsoft Office Excel. Okay, so Microsoft Office Excel is different software, library office calci also different software. Whatever you are doing in a MS Excel, that everything possible to do in a library office calci also. Okay, next spreadsheet means what, sir? Okay, so what are the meaning of a spreadsheet? Whatever we are doing in that spreadsheet. Okay, we have to make a bills. Okay, electronic bills we have to make in a spreadsheet itself. Okay, income tax calculations. Okay, invoices or bills. Okay, invoices or bills is fourth one, statements, inventory control, cost benefits analysis. Okay, everything possible to make this spreadsheet itself. Next, financial accounting. Okay, that is also possible to do in a spreadsheet itself. Tender evaluation, result analysis of students. Okay, this everything is possible to do in a spreadsheet itself. Okay, that spreadsheet is there in a library office calci inside only. Okay, we have to see spreadsheet means what it is. That worksheet only they are saying in a spreadsheet. Okay, we have to see that difference also in a that particular practical session time. Okay, advantages of using electronic spreadsheets. Okay, what are the advantages are there, sir? Whatever we have to do in a Microsoft Office Excel itself. Okay, we have to do a calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, sum. Okay, so that everything we have to do in a our MS Excel itself. Same thing we have to do in a library office calc itself also. Okay, we have to do a mathematical process, calculations, financial oriented process. Okay, statistical functions. Okay, that everything possible to do in a that library office calc itself. Okay, next one, whatever you are calculating, that result will be perfect, accurate result will be displaying on your screen. Okay, decimal points are fraction points. Okay, it will be displaying in particular result accurately. Okay, accurate result will be providing. Okay, that worksheet will be some big in size. Okay, quite big in size. Why it is means, okay, it will be like a some more columns and more pages will be there in that worksheet itself. So that page will be quite big in size. Okay, so as well as we have to open. Okay, we have to view. Okay, and we have to edit. Everything is possible in that worksheet itself. Okay, that worksheet can be saved and retrieved later. Okay, after completing your worksheet, okay, you have to save everything in your computer. After that, you have to view and display all the details. That is also possible in that worksheet itself. Next one, that worksheet itself we have to displaying existing documents also, existing files also we have to display in a worksheet itself. Okay, already I saved, sir. That is possible to open in a library office, sir. Yes, that is possible to open in a library office. One more thing I want to say you, so MS Office Excel. Okay, so that documents also possible to do possible to open in a library office. Okay, that is also possible to open in a library office and viewing and editing that details in a library office itself. You have to open library office software, library office calc documents also you have to open in a Microsoft Office Excel itself. Okay, so both software is nothing more different, some little bit difference only there. After processing only we have to know that differences. Okay, next one, as well as we have to do a some different advantages. Okay, we have to make a charts. Okay, we have to create a chart. Okay, that is also possible in a this library office calc itself. And then after finally we have to take a report printout. Okay, printed report also possible to take in a this worksheet. Okay, so these everything are advantages of a worksheet. Okay, this details everything will be transferred to your database and maintain everything in a database itself also. Okay, that is also possible to process in this software itself. Okay, next one. Okay, first slide itself what we discussed, introduction to a library office. Next one, spreadsheet means what it is. Okay, whatever we have to do in a spreadsheet itself. Next one is the what is the advantages of a electronic spreadsheets. Next one, worksheet and workbook. Okay, what is mean by worksheets and workbooks are? So that one we have to see. Worksheet means, okay, so what are the tasks you are going to do that particular place, that is called as a worksheet. Okay, worksheet சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நீ என்ன. Okay, worksheet means what it is, what are the information you are going to perform in a, what are the information you are going to type in that particular place, that is called as a worksheet. Okay sir, workbook means what it is sir? You can enter a data and edit data, that everything will be in a worksheet itself. Okay, that combination of one or more worksheet. Okay, so one excel page will be open means, okay, that particular excel page itself we have a 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like that we have 3 sheets are there. Okay, so that 3 sheets, okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, okay, that combination of one or more worksheet forms called as a workbook. workbook na எதை சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, okay, one or more combination of a sheet, okay, that is called as a workbook. Okay, worksheet na என்ன சொல்றாங்க, what are the information you are entering and editing the particular page, particular place, that is called as a worksheet. ஓகே, இப்போ ஒர்க்ஷீட்னா என்ன, ஒர்க் புக்னா என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். we will see in a practical session also. Okay, so next one, column means what? Okay, column means what it is. Okay, this is the column. Okay, a b c d e f. Okay, this is the column. Row means what sir? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that is called as a row. Column, it will be start with a to z and finally finishing with after that like this. Okay, w a b finally up to a m. Okay, so that is the column names. Okay, a to z to, it will be starting like that up to a m. Row, okay, it will be starting with 1 2 3 4, okay, and so on. Okay, finally completing 1,48,575 rows. Okay, one sheet itself we have this much of rows in that worksheet, one worksheet. Okay, like that we have a 3 worksheet in one page itself. Okay, but one page itself, one worksheet itself we have that much rows and that much columns are there in that particular sheet. Okay, cell means what sir? Okay, cell means this particular box. Okay, one box, இந்த ஒரு box அதை என்ன சொல்றாங்க, cell அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, here itself more boxes are there, but that one box, okay, only that one box, okay, that is called as this one box called as a cell. Okay, next one is cell address means what? Okay, cell address na எதை சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா, a1 z1, okay, wa1, okay, ab1, okay, ab12. Okay, this is the cell address. Okay, so that is called as a cell address. c2 c1, okay, that is called as a cell address. active cell, active cell னது எந்த செல்லை நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணுறோம், எந்த பாக்ஸஸ் செலக்ட் பண்ணுறோமோ that selected cells called as a active cell. Okay, next one, range of cells. Okay, we have to select 3 or more cells. Okay, for example cells என்ன சொன்னா, இந்த ஒரு பாக்ஸ் தான் சொன்னேன். இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், ஒரு 4-5 ரோவை செலக்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, அதனோட ரேஞ்ச். ஓகே, ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் cells. ஓகே, என்னன்னா rows I selected, columns I selected. Okay, so it will be showing like that image. Okay, it will be showing like that image. Okay, whatever you are selecting, just you have to click your mouse and drag down or drag right or left or up. Okay, whatever. Okay, it will be selecting. Okay, how much range you selected. Okay, that is also you have to see in this worksheet itself. Next one, okay, this is the library office calci front page, home page. Okay, this page itself maybe you understand. Okay, our excel page like that only, that design this design also. Okay, how you see in ms excel, like that only for library office calci also, nothing is more different. Okay, see here, that rows and columns. Okay, so that toolbars. Okay, some different extra toolbars they have to give. Okay, that's all, but otherwise same only. Okay, you have to work out, then after you understand clearly. Next one. Okay, yeah, worksheet itself they enter the datas. Okay, details. Okay, next one we have to create a new workbook. Okay, how to create a new workbook? Go to file. Okay, first you go to file menu, click new, there itself your new workbook, okay, task will be appear. Okay, there itself you have to open your new workbook and enter your details. Okay, so enter your informations. See here how to enter. Okay, what details you have to enter that particular workbook itself, that worksheet itself. Okay, this everything they given your book itself. Okay, that everything you got to do na system itself also. Okay, first I have to explain, after that I have to save a practical session. Next one, finally saving the document. Okay, saving a worksheet, go for file. Okay, file option, there itself click save option. Okay, see here, this is file means go for save. Okay, so here otherwise you have to click save as option. Okay, here you have to enter your file name and click save. That particular file is saved in your computer itself. Okay, this is the way to we have to save. Okay, same only. Okay, saving method, creating method and closing methods, that everything is same only, nothing more different. Okay, this is the way to we have to save. Next one is the closing the worksheet. Close means what it is, you have to close the topmost right hand side. Okay, that red color X symbol. Okay, you have to click that, it will be close. Okay, next one is the opening a worksheet. How to open that? Okay, control O, otherwise go for file option, there itself click open. Okay, so here itself you have to open your worksheet and see that worksheet details. Okay, so that is the way to we have to open a worksheet. Okay, finally on the stopped everything. Okay, library office, we have to quitting from library office. Okay, quitting from library office, go to new, there itself close option is there. No, like that your library office itself we have a quit option. Okay, you have to click that, you have to exit that particular library office software. Okay, so fully it will be closed, that is a exit, quitting from library office. Next topic, merge cells. Okay, how to merge cells. Okay, sometimes we have to type a long text. Okay, long text means our village name or our street name. Okay, our address. Okay, long text will become means we have to merge one or two cells. Okay, it will be merge and okay, we have to merge that two cells and we have to type more text in that particular cell itself, that is merge cells. Okay, move to cell A1, type name list 8th standard A. Okay, so they give an example, we have to see that everything for practical session itself. Merge cell means that is the okay, address means a long address will come. Okay, so that time we have to merge two cells and type our text. Okay, type our address, that is the use of merge cells. Next one is the generate auto numbers. Okay, so first one or two numbers only we have to type, after that just you have to select and drag down, that automatically that numbers will be filled in cells. Okay, continuously 1 2 3 4 5, like that it will be filling up to how many numbers you needed. Likewise you have to drag your mouse and create that auto generate numbers. Okay, that is also possible in a library office calc. Okay, next one is the functions. Okay, text formula. Okay, so library and office. Okay, text formula. Okay, how to write that that text formula. For example, equal. Okay, whenever you are going to type a formula, must you have to use a equal sign. Okay, in text formula, one more symbol you have to use, and symbol. Okay, text formula itself we have to use a and symbol, that is also must in a text formula. Okay, equal library, double quotation itself we have to mention a library, and double quotation itself office. Okay, what is the meaning of this, sir? Okay, so these both words are joined together. Okay, after typing this formula, enter, just you have to enter press the enter key. Okay, these both words are joined together, that is the output of a text formula. Okay, next one, statistical function. Okay, we have a different statistical functions. Okay, sum, average. Okay, sum, average, and then median. Okay, that everything we have in this worksheet itself. Okay, this library office calls itself. What are the statistical functions? Sum, average, max, minimum, count. Okay, these are all for statistical functions. Okay, how to do that statistical function in a library office calls itself. Okay, that everything we have to see library practical session itself. Next one, operators. Okay, what are the operators are in a library office in calc? Okay, we have different operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, modulus. Okay, these are all for arithmetic operators. Next one, relational operators. Less than, greater than. Okay, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Okay, equal to. Okay, these are all for relational operators. These operators also possible to do in our library office calc. Next one, logical operators. Logical operators, only three logical operators: and, nor, and, or, not. Okay, these three operators are there in a library office calc and logical operators. Okay, so now other for example, MS Office itself also these operators are there. Okay, logical operators, and or not only. Okay, and these operators only. Okay, so the whatever you are doing in a library office, that everything possible to do in a MS Office itself also. Okay, next one, that example they given. Okay, how to use that operators. Okay, so they have to, for example, Akshay's mother has purchased some fruits from the market. Okay, make a list of fruits and find how much each fruit cost her. Okay, how much for that fruits. Okay, Akshayoda mother vandu purchasing some fruits. Okay, so we have to calculate final total. Okay, fruits or cost we have to find out. Okay, that is the one of the example of using operators in a library office calc. Next one, sorting data. Okay, sorting means we have two sortings only. One is ascending, another one is the descending. Ascending order means A to Z, descending order means Z to A, that is called as a sorting. Okay, sorting data. Okay, not only sorting data, we have to sorting numbers also. Okay, ascending numbers and descending numbers, low value to high value, high value to low value. So like that also we have to displaying in a worksheet itself. Final topic on is the working with charts. Okay, we have to create a charts. Okay, we have to prepare a timetable or whatever it is, our mark sheet. Okay, we have to create a charts in a worksheet itself. Okay, library office calc itself, that is also possible in a library office calc. We have to creating a charts to be easily we have to understand that particular details. Okay, so in a company side, the maximum they are using a chart these topics. Why it is means monthly how much we are earned, okay, how much we are improved, okay, that everything they have to do, see in a chart wise only, okay, not to see in a numbers, okay, they have to see in a chart wise, and easily they have to understand that everything, okay. This is your unit 23, okay, library office calci, okay. Maybe we have to see in a practical session this everything, okay, one by one, how to enter the data, how to maintain the data in a row and column wise, okay, and then how to calculate the values, okay, addition, subtractions, okay, cells and cell address and range of cells and active cells and okay, that everything we have to see, functions, okay, and that everything we have to see, how to open and save, close, okay. Yeah, already maybe you know very well, okay, but we have to see one by one in a practical session itself. Okay students, let us see now practical session, okay, library office calci practical session. We have to see starting to end, okay. Go for start. How to open a library office? Go for start, all programs, there itself, library office 7.0, that version only I installed my system. Go for there we want to discuss library office calci, click that, okay. So like that your page will be open, okay. After opening this page you have to see, okay, our MS Excel, okay, like that only for this library office also, okay, library office calci also like that only, that designs some extra options they have to given this edit, view, insert, format, styles, sheet data, okay. Some advanced options are they given, some settings are they given in a library office calci itself, okay. So but both same software only, okay. So we have to create a calculations only for in a library office calci itself. We have to maintain our statistical oriented mathematical oriented process in a library office calci itself, okay. So first we have to create some details, okay. We have to enter the data in a Excel itself, okay. Before itself we have to know what Excel worksheet means what, sir, okay. This is called a worksheet, okay. This page called as a worksheet, okay. Workbook means a, okay, see here, so sheet 1, sheet 2, okay. This collection of one or more forms, okay. This collection of forms called as a workbook, okay. Worksheet another, this one sheet called as a worksheet, okay. Workbook means what it is, this collection of two sheet, okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, okay. This collection of two sheets that forms called as a workbook, okay. Next one, cell means what, sir, okay. So this is called as a cell, okay. This box called as a cell, okay. Cell address means what, sir, C, column C, row 11, C11, okay. That is called as a cell address. That address will be displaying from here, C11, okay. That is called as a cell address, okay. So now what is the cell address? Column name is B, row name is, number is 3, okay. So B3, okay. That is the cell address. Very good students. So like that we have to find everything, okay. Now what is the cell address? M12, okay. That is the cell address, okay. Like that only we have to find out, okay. Next one is active cell na, sir, active cell na, this is active cell. Why it is means here only we are going to type, okay. Otherwise here, okay, name, okay. So next this cell, this is the active cell address, so otherwise mark 1. Now this is the active cell, mark 2, okay. So next we have to enter the name, okay. Enter the data as in a worksheet itself, okay. Arun, any marks we have to give, okay. Just I have to enter you are understanding only I have to enter some informations. Okay, these are all the data in this worksheet. Okay, so how to enter data? Just you have to select a cell, you have to enter your data and your marks. Okay, so select a cell is called as a active cell. Okay, இப்போ நான் select பண்ணுற cell தான் என்னது active cell. So active cell means what it is, that active cell itself only I have to type my text. Okay, that's why we have to say active cell. Okay, next one. And now we understand cell means cell address, worksheet, workbook, active cell, that everything we understand. So now we have to see one by one. Okay, next one is range of cells. Okay, range of cells means what it is, we have to see range of cells. Okay, so range of cell means what it is, see here. Okay, what is the range now? Starting point C, column name is C, row number is 4, C4. Okay, so next C6. Okay, so that is the range. Okay, range of cells is C4 to C6. Okay, in between colon will come. Okay, C4 colon C6. Okay, that is used to find the range of the values. Okay, range of the text. Okay, that colon is used to finding the range of the cells and range of the values. Okay, so next one, how to create a new spreadsheet. Okay, go for file option, click new. Okay, here spreadsheet. Okay, you have to click spreadsheet, your new page will be open. Okay, next one, how to save file, click save option. Okay, so you have to enter. Okay, 8 science. Okay, click OK. Click save option. After enter that, otherwise we have to document page itself, I have to save my file. Okay, 8 science name. Okay, file name is what it is, 8 science. Okay, after that you have to save. Okay, that name will be appeared on your title bar, 8 science. Okay, so this is title bar, file, edit, view, these are all for menu bar. Next toolbars. Okay, these two everything for toolbars. Okay, standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. Like that we have two types of toolbars are there. Okay, so next one is the file is over. Next one, close. Okay, you want to close this page means click close, that will be close. Go for file option, click close option. Okay, next one to exit quite. Okay, finally exit library office means totally everything will be closed for library office calcium. Okay, that is for exit. Okay, next topic, create, we discussed. Enter content in a cell, already you know that how to enter data in a spreadsheet. Okay, that everything you know very well. Okay, next one, merge cells. Okay, எப்படி merge பண்றது அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு பார்க்கலாம். So merge cells. Okay, so I want to merge mark 1 and mark 2. Okay, first you have to select both cells. Okay, just you click one cell and drag and select both cells. Okay, and then after click merge option. Okay, here see here, this symbol is the merge your center cells. You have to click this, otherwise here itself you have to right click, go for merge cell options. Okay, merge cells. Okay, so see here, this cells, both cells will be merged. Merge means what, ரெண்டுமே சேர்ந்துரும். அப்போ என்ன ஆகுதுங்க, mark 1 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு display ஆகுது. Okay, so this is the merging. Okay, so another one example, merge cells I have to say. Okay, I got to merge these three cells. Okay, go and click that symbol. Okay, merge symbols, click here. Okay, here merged. Okay, these three cells are merged. Okay, next topic is auto generate numbers. Okay, so I have to enter 1 from here, 2. Okay, 1 2, these two numbers only I have to enter. Then after select both cells, come to down right corner. Okay, here one block color dot is there, no, you just move your mouse from there, click and drag down. See here, auto generate numbers. Okay, how many numbers you need? Okay, up to 50 or 100 or 1000. Okay, how much you need? Just you have to click. Just auto generating means first you have to enter 1 2, that two numbers you have to enter, and select that both two numbers and drag down. Just click this down itself, right inside down itself, click and drag down. Okay, how much numbers you need? Just you click and drag down. Okay, that numbers automatically generated in your worksheet itself. Okay, how much you need? Like that, you 1000 or 10,000. Okay, how much rows you need? Like that, you have to select and drag and create your auto generate numbers. Okay, that is called the auto generate numbers. Next one, functions. Okay, next on the text formula பார்க்கலாமா? Okay, text formula. Okay, I have to enter text from here. Before I have to merge these two. Okay, select that two rows, two cells. Okay, click merge icon. Okay, merge symbol. Okay, that will be merged. Okay, here itself I have to use a text formula. Before using formula, must you have to put equal sign. Okay, equal symbol you must put equal. Okay, God, double quotation, God and symbol you have to use, and then is good. Okay, so equal sign we have to use before using formula, equal symbol, double quotation itself one word, and next and symbol we have to use. Next on the next word I have to type in a double quotation. Okay, so and symbol is must in a text formula. Okay, after typing your text formula, you have to enter that both letter will be joined. God is good. Okay, now separate na type panna, but that both letters both words are joined. Okay, that is the text formula usage. Okay, next one is the statistical functions. What are the statistical functions? Sum, average, count. Okay, max, minimum, count. Okay, these are all for the average statistical functions. Okay, we have to see that. Okay, so I have to calculate these values, otherwise total you have to mention total from here. Total I have to use equal symbol, first sum. Okay, bracket. Okay, select a cell address. Okay, just you have to click that cell value, otherwise just you have to click that particular cell, that is an C4. Okay, so next comma. Okay, you have to put symbol comma symbol. Next select next cell. Okay, sum means what it is, addition. Okay, one value is not possible to add. Okay, so two values only we have to add. Okay, so first cell is C4, second cell is D4, and then after finally close. Okay, close in a bracket, enter 156. Okay, so this is the way to we have to find the total. Average. Okay, average what it is equal. Okay, so we got to use a, before using a formula we must put equal sign average. Okay, so select a total value of a mark. Okay, so that total values to we have to find the average total value of the mark divided by how many subject, 2 subject only, mark 1 and mark 2, divided by 2, close that and enter. Okay, average is what it is 78, that is the average. Next one, maximum value. Next one, minimum function. Okay, I want to find the maximum value in this subject. Okay, mark 1, mark 2, I have to find the maximum value. Okay, so equal max. Okay, select. Okay, so see here, இது ரெண்டுல எது maximum value 90 தான் maximum value. Okay, that's why that maximum value will be displaying here. Okay, so see here, anything you want to see, that formulas you want to see means you have to see here itself. That functions you want to see means you have to see in a formula bar. This is called as a formula bar. Okay, here itself everything will be displayed. Okay, just you have to enter that means that cells also what are the cells you selected, that also will be displaying from here. Okay, next one, minimum value. Okay, see here, the minimum value 89 is the minimum value. Okay, that's why minimum value will be displaying here. Okay, like that we have to find out the statistical functions. Okay, so count another 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is called as count. Okay, எத்தனை values இருக்கோ அதுதான் count னு சொல்றாங்க. So I have to use count from here. Okay, எத்தனை values இருக்கு 1 2 3. இப்போ count function I have to use equal count and how much 3 is the count of the value 1 2 3, 3 values only there. Okay, that is called as a count function use. That is the use of count function. Okay, and maybe you understand clearly this everything. Okay, so like that only operators also. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication already we seen. Okay, less than and greater than where we have to use how many of them pass, how many of them failed. Okay, that purpose we have to use in these operators. Okay, so that everything you have to try in LibreOffice Calc itself. Okay, maybe you have any other doubts, definitely you call me and ask your doubts. Sorting data, maybe already you know that. Okay, how to sorting data. Okay, selecting sorting details. Okay, I want to select these 3 names only I have to sort. Okay, in ascending and descending order. Already it will be displaying in ascending order. I have to click descending order. Okay, see here that symbols are here. Okay, this is ascending, this is descending. Okay, so what is the difference of ascending and descending? You have to see already is there in ascending order. Okay, now I have to click descending order. Okay, descending. See here, Ruben, Karthi, Arun. Okay, ascending order means another A to Z. Descending order means Z to A. So on the order left உனக்கு display ஆகும். Okay, I want to display in ascending order. Ascending order means first what which name will come? Arun. Okay, see here. Arun, Karthi, Ruben. Okay, this is the sorting data. Okay, next one is the charts. Okay, you want to make a charts means before you have to select. Okay, so I have to select this is everything. Okay, this is the my page. Okay, I want to select this everything. First just click on here itself, click and drag. Okay, up to how much data you entered in a worksheet, you select that everything. Okay, select go for insert option, there is a chart, which chart you need. Okay, here itself more different types of charts are there. Okay, bar chart, pie chart, column chart, area chart. Okay, I have to select a column chart. Okay, column chart. Okay, finally I have to click finish. Okay, so I selected this chart, so everything. Okay, go for insert insert option, here there itself. Okay, before you have to select. Okay, how to create a chart, one more time I will tell you. First you have to select the values. Okay, so that mark sheet everything you have to select and go for. Okay, how much you needed. Okay, what are the charts you needed, you have to select. Okay, otherwise I need only for mark alone. Okay, name and mark alone means you have to select that much. Okay, click and drag your mouse and select only for name and mark 1 and mark 2. Okay, go for insert option, there is self chart. Okay, here bar chart or pie chart I have to use. Okay, so select and click finish option. Okay, so your chart is ready here. Okay, so wherever you want you have to fix that. Okay, just you are understanding only, we have to differentiating that. Okay, so this is the way to we have to creating a chart in a library office calci. Okay, your chapter is completed, unit 23 is completed, library office calci is completed. You have any other doubts, just call me and clear your doubts. Thank you students, have a nice